Hey, how's it going, guys? So, you guys were introduced to algebra tiles, or at least we are being introduced to algebra tiles yesterday. And so, the thing is that they only involved positive values. So today we're going to use our algebra tiles to represent minus or negative integers or negative values for x and for y. So we're going to work with several different tiles, and in your book you're going to see that the shaded tiles are positive and the clear or the empty looking tiles are negative. And so when we deal with stuff on the screen, red tiles are negative and the colored tiles, the blues, the purples, and the greens are going to be positive values. So what we're going to use is what we call an expression map. It can be found in your Algebra Tiles e-tool. Feel free to refer back to the resource that I've got posted in the classwork section. But we are going to show -3 in two different ways. That way I can show you guys how this works. So first things first, I need to open up the Algebra Tiles e-tool. I need to go to my backgrounds, and then I need an expression map. Now that I've got my expression map that has my positive region and my negative region, again, that's going to represent one entire expression, we're going to start manipulating it. What we are tasked with is representing -3. So -3, just -3, no x's, no y's, no none of that. I'm going to take my 1, and I'm going to put 3 of them down here on the negative side. If you take a look, this is a beautiful representation of -3 because I have 3 positives on the negative side of my expression map. But let's take a look at a different way to represent it. All right, so I've got a brand new fresh expression map, and we're going to represent -3 in a separate way. So now I'm going to take my 1, I'm going to drag it up top. Take my 1 and drag it up top. And I'm going to take a 1, I'm going to drag it on top. Right here I have +3. So what I need to do now is I'm going to tap on each of these tiles, and now they're red. And inside, in the middle, you'll see on your screen that it says -1. So I have -1 plus -1 plus -1. I now have -3. You've now seen 2 ways for how to represent -3, and I hope this helps in how you're going to figure out using this tool for the rest of the week.